Go, Anna, go.
I'm a little bit scared. What if I... Okay. Was it like hella scary?
Uh-huh.
Oh god. You know, I think I'm gonna go down the other way.
You wanna help me?
But I'm recording.
No, please, I need help. I'm really scared.
Oh god. If she's scared, what am I gonna be? Hysterical? Okay.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Just jump. You're not that far.
How far? How many feet?
5. It's like jumping one of my mom.
But my legs hurt.
Your idea.
Land with your knees bent.
And if I break my ankle?
Oh, sorry. That much for funny. Oh, I'm scared for you.
Okay, just drop.
She doesn't want to drop. Ow! I bet I'm drop. Will you help me? Please, Selena, help her.
Just drop.